Hi, I'm Amanda from I Am Baker, and this is a fantastic recipe that you're gonna wanna make again and again. It is chocolate chip banana bread. I love when the banana flavor really shines through, and we use 5 whole bananas in this one loaf. So you're gonna love it. If you like banana, if you like chocolate, this is gonna be the recipe for you. So we start by actually peeling those bananas and then putting them in a bowl and kind of doing a rough mash of the banana. You wanna make sure there's no huge chunks, but there's enough chunks where you can still get those beautiful bites of flavor when you cut into the final bread. Next, we're gonna put together our dry ingredients. It's just all-purpose flour, a little bit of baking powder, and a little bit of baking soda. Now we wanna move on to our wet ingredients. You're gonna get about a 1/2 cup of butter. Should be at least at room temperature, maybe even a little bit softer. To our butter, we're going to add in some good quality vanilla. And then to that, we're going to add our sugars. I like to use a 1/2 cup of granulated sugar and a 1/2 cup of brown sugar to just really get some extra depth of flavor from that deep molasses in that brown sugar. And then we're gonna wanna add the eggs. I like to use 2 eggs at room temperature. And then once you get all of those ingredients incorporated, you're gonna add in your chocolate chips. Now my favorite way to eat this is a full cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. My kids' favorite way is 1/2 cup semi-sweet, 1/2 cup milk chocolate, and then that's their heaven in a pan. So once you get your chocolate chips added and mixed into your banana batter, we're gonna put it in a 9x5 loaf pan. Now, glass works best when you're making banana bread. This is a good tip. If you have a lighter colored pan, that works next best. I would try not to use too dark of a pan. You will see the outside get a little bit more brown than you'd probably prefer, but it's totally up to you. So we're gonna bake that for a good hour, maybe even up to 1 hour and 20 minutes. And then if you can handle it, just wait a couple minutes before you take it out of that loaf pan. This banana bread is quite possibly the best banana bread I've ever had. With the addition of that sweet chocolate, it is just over the top amazing. If you want any tips and tricks, you can head on over to my blog, I Am Baker, where I will share the full recipe with you.